Today I'm becoming an astronaut. Welcome to Space Camp. Get ready to learn real space words as I train for a mission, step by step, all day long. Space Camp, a real training center where people learn how astronauts actually prepare for missions. ID badge. This shows I'm officially a trainee here for the day. Locker room, where I store my things and get ready before training starts. Flight suit, the official uniform every trainee wears during space camp. Mission patch, it shows which team I've been assigned to for training. Training schedule, it tells me exactly what I'll be doing every hour of the day. Classroom, this is where I learn the science behind every mission. Astronaut, someone trained to travel and work in outer space. I get to learn from a real one today. Simulator, a machine that copies what a real mission feels like, without ever leaving the ground. Teamwork, no mission works without it. Orientation's done, next stop, physical training. Physical training. This is where my body gets ready for everything a real mission demands. G-force trainer, it spins me fast to copy the pressure astronauts feel during launch. Zero gravity chair, it lets me feel just a little of what floating in space is like. Spin trainer, it turns me in every direction to build balance for tumbling in space. Pressure suit, it protects the body from the extreme conditions of space. Oxygen mask, it gives astronauts the air they need to breathe safely. Balance training, it helps astronauts stay steady even when everything feels different. Endurance test, it checks how long my body can keep working hard without stopping. Multi-axis trainer, it spins in every direction at once to prepare for total disorientation. Grit, the strength to keep going even when training gets tough. Next stop, mission control. Mission control, the room where every part of a launch is watched and guided from the ground. Control panel, covered in buttons and switches used to manage every system. Radio communication, how the crew and mission control talk to each other during a mission. Spacecraft, the vehicle built to carry people safely into space and back. Cockpit, the small space at the front where the crew flies the spacecraft. Launch pad, the outdoor platform where a rocket stands just before it launches. Rocket, the powerful vehicle that carries the spacecraft up and out of the atmosphere. Fuel tank. It holds the powerful fuel that gives the rocket enough energy to launch. Countdown, the final seconds ticking down before a rocket launches. Liftoff, the moment the rocket finally leaves the ground. Next stop, space itself. Orbit, the path we now travel as we circle around the Earth again and again. Space station, a home built in orbit where astronauts live and work for months. Docking, the careful process of connecting two spacecraft together in orbit. Zero gravity, when everything, including me, floats freely with no weight at all. Spacewalk, stepping outside the spacecraft, connected only by a safety tether. Satellite, a machine that orbits Earth, sending signals for things like weather and phones. Solar panel, it turns sunlight into electricity to power everything on the station. Earth view, seeing our whole planet at once, and realizing how small and precious it is. Space food, specially packed meals designed to be eaten safely with no gravity. Re-entry, coming back through the atmosphere, the fiery final step before landing. Next stop, splashdown. Splashdown, when the capsule lands safely in the ocean at the end of the mission. Recovery team, the crew who arrives by boat to bring us safely back to shore. Capsule, the small part of the spacecraft that carries the crew safely home. Debrief, the meeting after a mission where the team talks through what happened. Astronaut wings, a special pin given to trainees who complete the full program. Certificate, official proof that I completed the whole space camp program. Graduation ceremony, the special event celebrating everyone who finished training. Team photo, one last picture together to remember this whole experience. Achievement, proof of everything I worked hard for today, from the first step to the last. Dream big, because today I proved that with training, teamwork, and courage, anything is possible. What a mission! I trained my body, sat in mission control, launched into orbit, walked in space, and made it all the way home. If you learned something new today, hit for more English lessons with me. I'll see you in the next video.